GEMMA 4 is here and it's one of the most powerful open source models for developers. In this video, I will show you how to run GEMMA 4 locally on your computer. I will also show you how to choose the right version for your system, run it inside LM Studio, and use it for coding in VS Code. So I have been testing GEMMA 4 on my HP gaming laptop with 24GB of RAM and 4GB of VRAM, and the performance is incredible. In my test, it's faster than most models and both its reasoning and coding capabilities have improved significantly. These are my current system specifications. So what is GEMMA 4? It's Google's open model, which means you can download it and run it on your own hardware. GEMMA 4 comes in 4 variants. The 26 billion model uses mixture of exposed architecture, giving you high performance and better accuracy for complex tasks. Then there's the 31B dense model along with the efficient 2B and 4B models, which are designed to run on most modern systems with around 8GB of RAM. The 2B model is the smallest, built for lightweight devices like Android phones, Raspberry Pi, and much more. The 26B and 31B models support a massive context window of up to 256K. That means you can feed in an entire book or a huge code base and it won't forget what you said earlier. So the big question is, which model is right for your hardware? It all comes down to choosing the right size. If you have 8GB of RAM, go for the efficient 2B or 4B models. If you have 16 to 24GB of RAM, just like me, the 26B version is a great choice. And if you have more than 24GB of RAM, you can go with the 31B dense model. Now for this video, we will focus on the 4B and 26B versions. The easiest way to run GEMMA 4 on your system is by using LM Studio. It gives you a clean chat interface for running local AI models. Just go to this website and click Download button. LM Studio supports Windows, macOS, and Linux. Now for this demonstration, I'm using Windows 11, so we'll download the exe file and install it. Once installed, open LM Studio and click Get Started. Then skip the optional steps and enable developer mode. This is the main user interface. On the sidebar, click the settings gear icon. You can change the appearance from here. Then under runtime, you will see it supports GGov models and uses the Llama CPP backend with CUDA support. Next, go to hardware. If you have an NVIDIA or AMD GPU, you can enable GPU acceleration for better performance. In my case, I'm using RTX 3050 with 4GB of VRAM, which isn't enough for full GPU acceleration on larger models. So I will keep this option disabled for now. Now let's download GEMMA 4. Go to Models tab and search for GEMMA 4. LM Studio will only show models that are compatible with your system. Now look for GGov versions. These are compressed models that run faster without losing much quality. I usually recommend Q4 variant, which offers a good balance between speed and performance. If you notice that the 31 billion model isn't available for my system due to memory limits, but the 2B, 4B, and 26B models are supported with partial GPU offloading. I will download the 4B and 26B models. These files are very large, so it might take some time. Once the download is complete, go to Chat window, then select the model at the top. Now let's start with the 4B model, since it works very well on most systems. Now wait for it to load into RAM. In my case, it uses around 7 GB. Then click the settings icon and adjust the context window. The 2B and 4B models support up to 128K context window. But for smoother performance, I will set to around 32K and reload the model. Now let's test it. I will send a simple greeting message. And you can see it responds in about 20 seconds. Next, I will ask it to generate a simple HTML page with think mode turned off. The first output isn't perfect. I will ask it to fix the code, and now it returns a properly formatted version. Now let's test the model's reasoning and math skills. I have prepared a few questions with answers. Now first, let's ask it to find a number pattern. It takes about a minute and gives the correct answer. Next, I will try asking reasoning question. This time it responds in around 2 minutes with a solid answer. Now let's switch to the larger 26B model. First, I will eject the 4B model. Then load the 26B and set the context window to 32K. The 26 and 31B models support up to 256K context window. If you look at my task manager, even with 24 GB of RAM, everything is still running smoothly while I'm recording this video. That's the strength of GEMMA 4's optimization. Now let's put the 26B model to work. I will ask the same type of question again. Now compared to 4B model, it runs at around 11 tokens per second, which is quite good. This model is more powerful and gives much more accurate and detailed explanations. And lastly, let's try a more complex math problem. You can see the step-by-step reasoning. It's not just answering a question, it explains everything in detail. This makes it a great tool for learning. Since GEMMA 4 also supports vision, you can upload an image and ask questions about it. I will try this with a Raspberry Pi image. Just click the plus button, attach the image, and ask your question. It takes a bit of time to respond, and while it identifies the device as a Raspberry Pi, it guesses the wrong model. It says Pi 4 instead of Pi 5. But still, it correctly understands that it's a Raspberry Pi single-board computer, which is very impressive. For most developers, GEMMA 4 can work as your own coding assistant. Let me show you how to use it in VS Code. In LM Studio, go to Developer tab and enable the LM server. This makes the model accessible to VS Code. Since the model is already loaded with the desired context window, we are good to go. Now inside VS Code, I'm using a workspace folder called AI. Then go to Extensions tab and install the Continue extension. Then open Continue from the sidebar. Then go to Settings, select Tools, and set all options to automatic to enable better function calling. Next, click Add Chat Model, choose LM Studio as the provider and click Connect. And that's it. You will see GEMMA 426B is ready to use. Now let's test it. I will ask it to create a simple to-do list application using HTML. You can see that LM Studio is processing the prompt, which means VS Code is successfully connected to the model. It took around 20 minutes to build the full application, including HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files. Now let's run the index.html file and see the result. As you can see, the app looks fantastic. If Continue doesn't work for you, you can try the Recode extension. Also, in my experience, using Ollama with VS Code and Continue can sometimes works better than LM Studio. I have made a full tutorial on that setup. Check the link in the description for more details. And that's pretty much it. This is how you can run GEMMA 4 locally on your computer. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section down below. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to see more content. Thank you so much for watching. This has been KSK Royal. I will see you in the next one.